Hey guys, Untitled Chapter here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change the color of something. So this will be very simple, and it's just going to be a simple color change for a just like one straight color like this. So this one is going to be changing like the RGB values or like the color values or like the saturation or anything like that, but this is just quick and easy. Okay, so starting off, what you want to do is zoom on your image pretty good, get a good view of it. And now what you want to do is go to the Lasso tool, and then go and select the magnetic lasso tool. So there are multiple ways to do this. So for the fastest way that I found, what you gotta do is just use the magnetic lasso tool, and all you have to do is just get a good lasso around the area that you want to be retextured, recolored. So just use if you don't have a good surface for your mouse, then just try to go slow, and if you have a mouse pad, then try to flip your mouse pad upside down to make it like a sticky surface. And then just try to go around the entire arrow as straight as possible. And then the little blocks that go around it should be good. You should see those a lot. Kind of have to go slow, and you got to be accurate, but you can go fast, and it gets a little messy. So the reason why it doesn't cut the angles perfectly like that is because with the magnetic lasso tool, it's a AI learning kind of based thing. And I guess they're going to be improving on that. Photoshop has been around for years, and so kind of needs that. So once you get to the beginning, what you want to do, unlike the normal lasso tool, is go to the very beginning, and then once you see that little circle, like where my icon is, where my mouse is, you're going to see no circle, and then circle. Just make sure that you're on that circle, and then select that, and then you should have this entire area kind of selected. So there are a few spots, like the middle left of this arrow right here where it's not selected, and you got this little area and this area. What you could do is just color that in with the brush tool. Okay, so what you want to do is go and then select the first layer. So make sure that you're selected on the original layer. Go and copy, and then paste. And now what you want to do is make sure that you're on this second copied layer. And now what this layer should be, if you want to use your move tool, is it should just be a copy of the outline. So you can move that if you need to, but I'm just going to Control Z so it goes back to the middle. And what you want to do is go over to Effects at the bottom right, and then click Color Overlay. Takes a little bit to load, and now you should see this little window pop up. So what you want to do is go over, and you could set your saturation values. You can get your RGB and stuff like that. I'm just gonna go for a nice kind of hot genty-ish pink, and then just OK on that. And then there you go. You got a basic, simple, and fast, not really that accurate drawing of an arrow. Well, color filling in. Yeah, you just filled in the color like a professional. Huh. Well, not really like professional, but it's done right. So thank you guys for watching. This has been Tony Scale IT with a under 5 minutes video of how to change the color of a object selected with the lasso tool in Photoshop. So thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.